In this video, we'll be making a powerful hair growth spray that will help cure scanty edges, thinning hair, weak and brittle hair. Many sisters reach out to me asking how effective these hair teas I make are. Well, I'm sure the images and videos you are seeing on your screen will help answer that question. Now, let's start preparing this hair tea. Fenugreek seed is the first ingredient we'll be making use of. Fenugreek seeds contain iron and protein, which are essential for hair growth. They also contain plant compounds like flavonoids and saponins, which may promote hair growth. They have antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help fight dandruff, and these seeds can help soothe inflamed scalps, reduce flaking, and protect against scalp infections. Moringa Oleifera is the next ingredient. Feel free to use the powder or the leaves. Moringa contains extremely crucial nutrients that help in hair growth and healthy hair. Several vitamins found in moringa, such as vitamins A, C, and B, help in nourishing the hair follicles. And because moringa contains some antioxidants, it helps protect the scalp and hair from extreme damage by oxidative stress and free radical contribution to hair loss. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of both ingredients, and I'll be adding hot water to this. The reason I'll be adding hot water is so that the nutrients from the fenugreek and moringa can penetrate into this water. I'll be leaving this for about 12 hours. Please do not exceed 12 hours so that it doesn't enter the fermentation state or start to get bad. If after 12 hours you're not ready to use this, please kindly store this in your fridge. It can last in your fridge from 2 to 3 days. So this is how our mixture looks like after making it. Of course, it's going to be green because moringa just overpowers and overshadows every ingredient every time I produce hairspray or hair oil. So after 12 hours, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the fenugreek seeds are looking a bit fatter, and then they are no more as brownish or yellowish as they were when I first started adding them. So can you see that? Yes, exactly. This shows that the nutrients has been infused into the water. The next thing I want to do is strain this using my cheesecloth. Make sure you use cheesecloth so that you don't introduce sand or any unpleasant thing into your spray. So I'll be transferring this into my spray bottle and ready to use. So guys, kindly watch me while I transfer this into my spray bottle. So because this spray has remnants at the bottom, make sure you shake well before you spray this on your hair. So this is how our spray looks like, and we'll be moving to the application stage. So yeah guys, this is my hairspray, and I'm going to be spraying it on my edges. I've been on this twist for about 1 month now, and I'm still enjoying my twist. So I'm going to start with my problem areas. I don't have problem areas, but I love focusing on my edges because my edges are the thinnest and I just want them to be fuller than they are. Call me Oliver Twist, but I want more. So I'll be spritzing this on my edges, and after spritzing it on my edges, I make sure I go around my hair. I first, so normally I start with my scalp because that is where our hair grows from. So you need to start first with your scalp and make sure that this spray saturates your scalp. After saturating my scalp with this spray, I'll start saturating my hair. I'll saturate the entire length of my hair. And as I'm doing this, I'm trying to press it down so that the juice can penetrate into my hair. This is because our hair is low porosity, and if you don't make extra efforts to squeeze in product, it's just going to sit on your hair. So please always squeeze in product or hairspray or hair teas. After After spritzing it, yeah guys, see the length of my hair. I hope to achieve more than this very soon. The next thing I'll be doing is to apply my leave-in conditioner, and I'll be using this Hair Wonder leave-in conditioner because it does wonders for my hair. If you want to know the wonder it does, please buy it. It is so moisturizing. Let me not even start. Let's just leave it and let's apply it. So I'm going to be applying a humongous amount of this onto my hair. Again, because our hair is low porosity and it takes time for products to penetrate our hair if we do not squeeze it in. So guys, I'm going to be squeezing in this leave-in conditioner. So I think you should watch me while I do that. Yes. After squeezing in, I'm going to be sealing this with my hair oil. I might be dropping a card for you down there, up there, sorry, and dropping a link down there for you, yeah, of how I made this oil. For this oil to be green, I'm sure you already understand that there's moringa inside. Moringa always changes the color of everything I do, but that's fine. Green is not a bad color. So I'm going to start by applying this to my scalp again, guys, because our hair grows out from our scalp. Don't just apply your oil on top of your head and because you're rushing to work or because you're rushing to bed, you ignore your scalp. Your scalp is actually very important when it comes to applying oil. So I'm going to be applying this oil all over my scalp, and as I'm doing this, I'm massaging it because massaging helps blood circulation, which helps increase hair growth. Scalp massage shouldn't be skipped. Don't ever skip scalp massages, guys. Whenever you apply oil, whatever you apply on your hair, please do your scalp massages. So I'm going to be applying this oil to the length of my hair because I want to seal in the moisture from my hairspray, my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so you need to squeeze in this oil. This is going to help your hair to thrive and grow. So guys, we're actually done. I'll be sealing my ends with this Barrow shea butter. This shea butter, like the experiences I've been having with this shea butter is great. So if you see it anywhere, I advise you to buy it. If you need it, let me know. Maybe I'll just drop maybe the number of the person, the person's contact in my description or something. So I'll just be applying this to the ends of my hair. You can actually apply this to the length of your hair as well. But for this video, I'll be using this shea butter to clump my ends. As this prevents your ends from drying out and splitting as a result. After following these steps, just know you are done. My hair is moisturized, looking good, and I'm just going to be packing my hair into a bun and hiding my ends into my hair. Make sure you hide your hair as much as possible. The ends of your hair, make sure you hide it as much as possible because they dry out easily. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Before I go to bed or go out, I'm just going to wear my hair bonnet, to retain that moisture. All right, guys. Bye. I'll see you on my next one.